Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Tortured Artist. I think I have a problem. If the art is too easy, I feel unfulfilled. Just like the last one, which was done in 5 minutes, and quite frankly, I could have made life easier and continued down the gravy train of super easy artworks, which seems to perform much better than all the others that requires a lot more hours, by the way. But no, I have to complicate things because I thirst for a challenge, and here it is. To be honest, still life art looks simple on the surface. I mean, everything is just kind of laid out there in the open. All you have to do is just paint the objects, but it's so difficult to paint a good still life painting. In my opinion, hyperrealism seems to be the pinnacle of still life art. Forget about hyperrealism at this point, I'm struggling to even reach a tenth of realism. For this still life piece, I've discovered that the term for this top-down perspective is coined as flat lay photography. This style has gained popularity for several reasons, aesthetically pleasing as one of the main factors. Flat lay photography provides a visually appealing and organized composition. By arranging objects on a flat surface and capturing them from a top-down perspective, you can create a clean, minimalistic, and symmetrical look. The balanced arrangement of objects often creates an attractive visual impact and can be visually satisfying. Secondly, storytelling and creativity. Flat lay photography allows photographers to tell stories or convey messages through the arrangement of objects. By selecting and positioning items strategically, photographers can create narratives, evoke emotions, or communicate specific themes. The ability to arrange and combine objects in creative ways encourages photographers to experiment and showcase their unique style. For my storyboard in this painting, I was going for something chic and girly, a little influence from Sex and the City. This screams date night and get ready with me. I kind of like how it turned out. But the process was an absolute nightmare, especially the fluffy rug that I chose for the background. And don't forget editing. Trying to squeeze 7 hours into 15 minutes without fast forwarding it was a nightmare. Is it worth it? I don't know. I find the hardest part is translating artworks into sales. Doesn't matter. I actually like this painting. I think the fun part about going out is the getting ready part. I haven't glammed up in a long time, so this was a fun piece to reminiscence on. J'adore getting ready and dressing up. Anyway, I hope you like this piece. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been adventurous too long. I just wanna be a woman. I just wanna be a woman. From this time, unchained, we're all looking at a different picture through this new frame of mine. 1,000 flowers could bloom. Move over and give us some room.